So AJ, you've loved my British food, right?
Loved it. Amazing. Yeah.
But I just want to try something else, like really American.
Oh, I have the perfect idea. Remember last year, Thanksgiving, deviled eggs? You didn't like them?
I hated them.
I know. But they weren't my deviled eggs. I can make them. Yes?
Okay, you got
All right.
me. I'll do it.
Listen, go take a load off. I got this. Where are the eggs? Paul! Paul! I think you're out of eggs.
Pretty sure we're not out of eggs.
Why are they not in the fridge?
Yeah, we do.
Wait, they're brown and not white?
Do you know what? Let's skip the deviled eggs, yeah?